$1,600. I have no money. I do have someone who can do it for cheaper. There she is. Wow.
Dude, I can already imagine how the sickness is.
Alright. So our first initial little thing. Damage doesn't seem too bad, but key's gone. This airbag in the center wheel with the Viper head on it is gone. Fully cut out. Some beautiful red interior. I mean, I don't know, man. It sucks. Key gone is the worst part, because now, what are we going to do with this? Phone's already overheating, about to blow up. We're nervous. It's about to just roll off. But, this is an exciting moment. We've done a lot of Gen 1, Gen 2 Vipers, but this is our first 5th Gen Viper. And I'm really excited. 6-vent hood. The beautiful red interior with the red outside. This is about to be sick.
Bill wrap too.
Damn, Viper. Woohoo! That is insane.
Нормально там? Здесь нормально. Все.
Да, езжай. Шаг прямо держи, да-да-да. Стоп.
Сейчас чуть-чуть припусти, чтобы вперед совсем не скакал.
Wow, 6-vent. No, сильно.
Shoot. Woo! She touched down. She touched down, baby. Woo! Зацените. Ошалеть. Просто вау. Просто.
Да, делай все, что тебе надо, мы тебя отпустим с миром, а уже сами здесь будем. No, we gotta save the stuff so that we can run another taxi. Сейчас
Ну чё, Viper owner?
So far, amazing. Блин.
This is about to be so easy.
Смотри, уже сразу видно, как меня оборвали.
Airbags забрали сразу.
Кто подписывать будет?
А я не
Ну что же за...
60 roll? That's not good. About to move this bad boy, and then our goal is to get it into here. All right, we're trying to move it. We're having a bunch of issues. It's hot as balls out here. This thing's not moving.
What do we pop?
Okay, давай. Okay. Some... Woo! Все в гараже стоит. У меня писька уже отваливается. Finally in our possession, in the garage, 5th Gen Viper. Oh, this thing is about to be, it's about to be something. It's definitely going to be a rebuild, let's just say that. But, let's make it worth it. What's up, everyone? As you guys can see, bang, 5th Gen Viper, what's up? It's in our possession, it's in the garage. I'm about to start taking all this shrink wrap off, all this stuff out of the trunk. And then we're going to start assessing damage, taking off like the nose panel, everything. But, yeah. All right, right now we're popping off the full carbon hood. Carbon fiber. On the head. Bam! Naked, sexy red Viper. Boom.
Definitely don't want anything fried. Yeah. At worst,
All right, as you can see, we got everything taken off. Look at that. Headers, and it's tuned. This is, we got in touch with the old owner. All right. We're disassembling the front end. Hood's off, bumpers off. And then we're just gonna start assessing the damage. We're gonna have Grandpa come in and check out the frame rails in the front, the back, and everything. So we can get to work. What's up, guys? So we got the car in for Saturday, I'm pretty sure. No, Friday. And then Saturday we did some work. We went to the car show, so we didn't have a full day to really work on it. And then Sunday we're off, but today it's Monday, and today as you guys can see, we finally got the key. The programmer is coming to program it to the car, because actually it's gonna be a first startup today. This is what's gonna be the main premise of the video, is getting this thing started after buying it hit from auction.
Master John, first start, baby.
That's it?
Nikolai,
Or did you guys just find the key under the seat?
Nikolai,
No, he
Hey, bro, can you make me a key?
hey, the on and off work.
For the GMC?
Yeah.
I can, but not.
She's running.
Okay, Nikolai.
What do we got going on right here?
I don't know. It seems like it's not shutting off right here.
How's you gonna feel?
Oh, you better start getting used to that. The seat can go back.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Woo! Purple tune. Jump up. Dude.
Pops are pretty aggressive.
That is sick.